Hello, my beautiful friends. Guess what came while I was in Chicago? Guess. My Weebox. Now, I have to tell you, I did open it, and I made a video with my phone, and then I couldn't upload it. So, I have seen what's in it, but it's so exciting, I can't wait to tell you again. So, when I opened it, the newspaper, which, you know, I love, was held together with the cutest little sticker. And I was able to save the sticker, because, you know, I'm a dork like that. So this is the sticker that held together the newspaper. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? So the theme for the month is haunted history and the history of Samhain or Halloween. So I was very excited because the first thing that is in this thing was, I didn't know if this was a purse. I had no idea what this was. And normally, as you know, I don't read the book first, but because I did a video and I had looked at to see, this is actually something you put your candy in to hand out. But we get like hundreds and hundreds of kids, and our house is kind of known for, like, we give out big candy bars, and then we have soda and whiskey for the parents. Only if you know me. All right, so the second thing is the Siobhan Sage and Mint lotion. I do like hand lotion. I'm a huge hand lotion fan, and this stuff smells so good. Like, it's so delicious. Oh, put a little too much on. But there, smell. Sniff. This smells so good. So I do like hand lotion, because, you know, my fingers are constantly moving to play. All right, the next thing that was in here, which I didn't know, but it had the cutest little box, was this, and it's actually candy. So it's hard candy, and it's called Haunted Castle Rock. So it's like rock candy. So I'm very excited to try that. And then I'm so excited. My favorite thing, like, I love this whole box. I mean, I like the purse thing, but the thing I love the most is Tales by Twilight, or Tales for Twilight. And it's all like little haunted stories. Very excited about that, because, you know, I like books, and I do like a good tale. And then every box gets like a different, like, special gift. And mine is this really cool thing to hang up. The unicorn is the national animal of Scotland. My hair is a hot mess today. I'm so sorry. I have, like, Chicago on the brain. And it has the thistle, which is the national flower, and of course the Royal Stuart tartan there. So that's really, really cool. That's going to go in my office. So this was a awesome box. I love Weebox. I love them so much, and it's definitely, like, everything that you get is like this is such a cool box to teach you about the Celtic traditions of Samhain. I love this. Like, I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I'll put my own candy in it. That's what I'm going to do with it. I think I might put, like, my pens in it or something. And then the book is always really good. And I did, in the first video, kind of flip through kind of what's in the book. So there's always a message from the founder, Amy. And then, like, it'll tell you what's in your box. There's all kinds of interesting, like, facts. Like, how well do you know Halloween? Like, do you know the roots of it? And, like, why we do the things we do? And then it talks about the different products that are in the box. And talks about other different traditions. Then I love that there's always, like ads, you know, for local things. Because I imagine a lot of people that maybe get this box are in Scotland. And so they'll go and buy things from these local sellers. So, so excited about the box. Can't wait to play with. I'm going to try the candy. I think I'm going to do that first. So thank you, Weebox. It's a great box. Happy Samhain. Blessed Samhain to everybody. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.